This is Josh with Sonrise Construction here on a custom cabinetry project. We've built some cabinets with a entertainment center, storage, kind of kids' desk homework area. We've got adjustable shelving. We've still got to do some trim work. A little bit of lighting and painting before we're done with this project. And then also some glass for the bottom doors. If this is something you are interested in, contact us at sonriseconstruction.com, or if you are in the Florida Panhandle area, sonriseconstruction30a.com.